This is a press statement released by the concerned PDP stakeholders today, 7th of August, 2024. We are gathered here as members of the People's Democratic Party under the umbrella of the concerned Benue State PDP stakeholders to address you on recent issues in our party, most especially on issues emanating from the recently concluded World Congresses of our party in Benue State. First of all, we want to pledge our loyalty to our great party, the People's Democratic Party in Benue State, whose indefatigable chairman, Sir John Mbede, has led us very well and has remained an impartial leader since 2015, and under whose guidance the party at a point pulled a sitting governor from another party to their party. We want to state unambiguously here that the tripod that has held our great party together is the state chairman, Honorable Sir John Mbede, the state secretary, Honorable Sir Dr. Joseph Nyam, and the state organizing secretary, Honorable Moses Ahudu, who we declare our support for and pass a strong vote of confidence on all of them. They have remained steadfast, they have united us, and we are pulling together to reach the desired destination, that is to win all our elections. We commend these great people for rising up when some of the bad elements wanted to drag our party down by beginning the process of purging the PDP of morals amongst us by suspending the former governor Samuel Ortoms, the former deputy chairman Isaac Mfo, the former publicity secretary Bemba Iotiom, and a former zonal chairman Azua Shongo from our great party. We express our worry over the process, the conduct, and the aftermath of the World Congresses of the People's Democratic Party, which held on Saturday, the 27th of July, 2024. Whereas the Congresses of our party were scheduled to hold in all the 276 council wards across the 23 local government areas in Benue State, only 15 local governments managed to pull through the election of their ward executive councils. These were, for specificity, Adah, Agatu, Oju, Obi, Opoku, Kasinala, Ukum, Logo, Gwe West, Gwe East, Makodin, Vandikia, Apa, Ogbadibo. Even though 2 council wards, 1 each, in Ogbadibo and Apa local governments, did not hold their congresses. The World Congresses did not hold in 8 local governments, including Guman, Kwande, Takal, Bokon, Oshongo, Konshisha, Ohimini, and Buruko. This was mainly because materials meant for congresses in some of these local governments were diverted by a group led by Azekimfo, Adzwa Ashongo, and Bemba Yotiom. While in some where the materials arrived, the local governments, the result sheets were missing. Amazingly, it is also quite curious that even where the congresses held, the final results were recorded on photocopied and not the original colored printed result sheets. This is also very unusual and very curious. Much more curious and quite disturbing is the fact that after collecting the results from the 15 local governments where the congresses held, the chairman of the World Congress's Electoral Committee, Honorable Bode Ojomo, abandoned the results at the Benue State PDP Secretariat in Makadi, the Benue State capital, and left for Abuja. The results, from all indications and from all information available, are in strict custody of the Benue State Working Committee. Worrisome also is the fact that the World Congress's Appeal Panel arrived in Makadi on Friday, 2nd August evening, and as party faithfuls, we are getting ready to approach the panel to seek the answers on these issues. The panel members left for Abuja on Monday, 5th August morning without attending to anyone for reasons our party in Benue State is yet to be told. Arising from this, the concerned group wants to make specific demands, and I want to draw the attention of the gentlemen of the press to these specific demands. All these and many more salient issues have compelled us to address this press conference to demand the following from the National Working Committee of our great party. Number one, the National Working Committee should know the true fact on ground that all well-meaning and sincere members of the People's Democratic Party here in the state are solidly behind, and we pass a strong vote of confidence on the state chairman of our great party in Benue State, Honorable Sir John Mbede, and the trusted members of the State Working Committee who are working tirelessly with him for the unity and progress of our party, and whom we consider are very loyal. Secondly, that considering the fact that the chairman of the World Congress's Electoral Committee for Benue State, Honorable Bode Ojomo, abandoned the results from the 15 local government councils in Benue State he collected at the party's state secretary, the National Working Committee should ensure that the results are not manufactured elsewhere and submitted to the to the National Working Committee, purported to be results from the aforementioned local government in Benue State. Thirdly, that the National Working Committee should let Benue State PDP family know why the original colored printed result sheets were not used in the local government world congresses. Number 4, that the National Working Committee should reschedule, with emphasis, should reschedule and conduct world congresses in the 8 local governments and the 2 council wards in 2 local government councils where congresses did not hold. In conclusion, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished party faithfuls, we are aware that the Benue State Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, under the indefatigable leadership of our chairman, Honorable Sir John Bede, has appropriately reported these issues to the National Working Committee of the party. So, we urge all the sincere and dedicated members of our party to remain calm as they await the urgent and impartial decision of the National Working Committee on these issues in Benue State.